What's up, YouTube? What you're looking at right now is my small spot bleaker eye, or Paratilapia poleni. Beautiful, beautiful fish, as you guys can see. Amazing freckles on him. I love that fish so much. Look at that. Just look at that. Sorry, my glass isn't doing that great. Let me see if I have a towel. I'll wipe that up real quick. Sorry about that. But here we go. Look at him. Look at him. Jesus. Jesus. I love him. My favorite fish that I think I own right now. And as you can see, my Oscar still being my Oscar. He bit me the other day doing a water change. There's my ginormous catfish. My vieja. Red Texas is starting to get some freckles too. Where'd he go? He's over here. He's just dark. He's right there. He's starting to get some freckles. You can see it on his tail, but my camera's not going to pick it up, but he has some on his body too. Nothing compared to what, like this. Nothing. Well, guys, I got some big news. I got a lot of new fish lately. And only thing is I haven't shown them yet. And I'm not going to show them in this video. So I'm going to make you guys wait. I got a new catfish. I'm not going to say what type. I got a new, some new cichlids. I'm not going to say which kind. Actually, two different parts of the world, I should say. And, yeah, so just stay tuned for those guys, and you'll see my amazing fish. One of them I may not show for a little while, which has my, which has quite a few in the tank, is I'm battling a little disease in there. Battling some ick. Which is terrible. I hate ick. Thankfully it's going away though. I caught it at the right time and I'm battling it.